Hi, it's me with laser tips and tricks, and this is a laser tip video on making a pin jig that you could use again 6 months from now or a year from now. One of the problems, and it's not really a problem, but over time, lasers, no matter what brand you have, will come out of alignment. So you need to calibrate them, and it's due to the movement and possibly hitting a hard stop and just knocking it out of alignment. But if you've taken the time to make a pin jig like this one, let's say this brown material is MDF, and I love the MDF. It's great for pin jigs. And this tip really only applies if you have a red dot pointer. This is my laser bed, 40 by 28, and this MDF is, sorry about that. My MDF is, 21. I just drew it. So let's say 22 by 13. And you put it up to the top corner of your laser bed. And before you do this, you're going to take a scrap piece and you're going to take a test with your MDF and make sure your pin fits in there perfectly. And I went out to the shop, tried to find it. I do very few pins in bulk, but I've actually made it where the clip fits in. I actually have a little like a toothpick type popsicle stick I glue in so they'll all be touching exactly. Well, and then after you get it perfect, then you cut all these out. But before you cut it out, take you 2 vector lines, and I made them black so they would show up, their hairlines, and cut you an X, not in the corner. And then before you cut your pins out, take your red dot pointer, and I'm over dramatizing, making it too big. And the red dot pointer is not 100% like a pinpoint, but you can run it in and out of focus and get a little sharper. And make that your home before you cut your pins out. Then 6 months from now, bring it in your machine, jog your red dot pointer to that X. And I would even go a step further. I haven't done this yet, but I actually contacted my mentor, and he was pretty assuring that it would work. I would actually do the same thing in this corner. I would just draw 2 hairlines. And you don't have to cut it all the way through the MDF. You could cut it like at 100 power, 100 speed. It's just going to barely scratch the surface. Then 6 months from now, when you go to use this, put your red dot pointer and select those 2 lines and vector cut them out at, pretty slow speed so you can see it. And if they haven't cut exactly on top of those lines, something's wrong. But if they have, you're good to go. And then each one of these pins will be in the exact spot they were 6 months ago, a year from now, or whatever. But use the red dot pointer to set your home. Instead of your home being this corner, your new home will be this red dot. I hope that makes sense a little bit, and thank you for watching.